Um, Hi, I go by the name of Kyra, and this is my first YouTube video. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna be singing "In Love with Another Man" by Jasmine Sullivan. So subscribe and there. Um, and I hope you like it. If I could forget you, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. You treat me so much better than him. And if I would say that we know competition, but that I'm in love with someone else, when you know it ain't right. Hey, I'm in love with another man, and I'm so sorry. Hey, you should go and find someone else who can treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are, 'cause baby you shine so bright, and I would just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you. But I'm in love with someone else, and I know it ain't right. Hey, I'm in love with another man. I can't understand why it's him and not you. 'Cause at the end of the day, baby, I just don't want to. 'Cause he ain't no doctor, and we always seem to fight. He got the perfect body, and sometimes he don't even treat me right.